It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to start our indoor garden. Well, we're going to start off with lettuce at first, but you know what? The one thing I have noticed is the price of everything is skyrocketing. The price of food, fuel, lumber. So it is really important, I think, to look at everything that we purchase and see what we can do to try to stabilize the price for your family. And food is a big thing. You need food. Everyone needs food. So I'm going to try to produce more of it myself, and part of it is my indoor grow cabinet and the light. I don't know if it's big enough to produce enough lettuce greens for the whole family indefinitely, but it's a good start. And I got the Spider Farmer light, and that's all ready to go. Up till now, I've been just keeping my tomato plants alive, but it got warm enough outside, so they're out. So today we're going to start growing our indoor garden, so let's go. I have 2 dish pans from the Dollar Tree. They actually, I think they're good size for using in the grow cabinet. My wife had them, and she was nice enough to let me use them, so I can't drill holes in the bottom. So I'm just going to make sure there's a good layer of dirt, and I'm not going to overwater it. We haven't been able to get to the store for a little while now, and who knows when I can actually get back to the Dollar Tree. We're probably going to use these for a little bit, but when I do, I probably will buy a bunch of these because I think they fit nice inside the grow cabinet space. So if I have a few shelves, I can grow like two of these pans, and I think that's going to work good. So today we're going to use the Spider Farmer SF300. It is a full spectrum LED grow light. Spider Farmer contacted me and they said they wanted to send me a grow light, and the first thing I wanted to do was grow lettuce. So this will be the first time that I'm actually using the Spider Farmer grow light to grow lettuce, and we're going to see how well it does. We're going to start filling the pans and planting the seed. So we're using Miracle Grow organic potting soil. I bought it for the tomatoes, and we're going to have our first real good look at how well it works with like lettuce and those kind of vegetables. So we're going to grow some black-seeded Simpson. We got this at the Dollar Tree. I really haven't had too much trouble growing seeds from the Dollar Tree. They've done well. And let's see, planting depth, 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, so it's not very deep at all. I saw one guy use a seasoning shaker to disperse the seed because the seed is awful small, like it's crazy small. But I'm going to see if I can do this evenly. You don't want clumps because it's just not going to grow good. I think one package, a bin, is the way to go. And I'm going to put just a tiny bit of dirt over everything, and I think that's good. We got one done. I'm just going to give a little bit of dirt on top. Give it a little bit of water. I think a hand sprayer would be perfect for this, so you don't wash all the seeds away, but as soon as I can get one I will, but I don't have one. So there you go. It's been about a week and a half. The black-seeded Simpson has germinated. And I looked at the stems, and the stems, they're not growing tall. The roots are growing at the moment, which is a good thing, because if it has a lack of light, your stems will get really long. They're staying short. And I'm thinking any day they're going to start really starting to take off. The seed germinates, gets a bit above the soil. They normally slow down for a little bit. The roots grow and then they take off. So I think in the next week they're really going to take off. But I'm going to show you where we're at now. So here they are, a week and a half. They germinated, they're up, they're looking awesome, and the stems aren't getting too long, allowing it time to have the root system to grow. So it's definitely getting enough light. If it doesn't get enough light, the stems will get super long because it's trying to reach the light. So the Spider Farmer light is doing a great job and giving enough light. You can see this corner is a little darker, and you can see that one plant is working to get a little more light. But as a whole, everything is working really good. I kept the dirt moist. I don't want to water too much because I don't have holes in the bottom of the bin. So the garden is up and rolling. I'll make a bunch of update videos all summer long. We're going to try to tweak it and get a system set up that hopefully by winter we'll have a system set up that we can actually grow lettuce all winter long. When we can actually grow it in the garden. So I think this is going to be a good addition to the homestead. I feel like this is a real important part of being self-sufficient. I don't know if I could ever be fully self-sufficient, but you know, we try. So we'll keep on going with this, and I'll keep doing some updates. That's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.